Roatan is a great place to live. You can check out some of the properties that are currently available for sale right here on the Roatan Travel Network Real Estate Guide.
This 2-acre waterfront paradise features 500 feet of rocky shoreline nestled right along the famous mangrove tunnels, known for their breathtaking beauty and bright turquoise waters. The property includes a 1,408 square foot concrete main home with 3 bedrooms, tiled floors, and a spacious kitchen with tiled counters, perched on a hill with stunning views. Down by the water, there's a 480 square foot wooden guest house with 1 bedroom, 1 bath, and a large loft. An 8-foot covered porch invites relaxation, while a 400 square foot palapa sits directly on the water, perfect for enjoying the tranquil surroundings. Currently under construction and near completion, this spacious 3-level residence is thoughtfully designed to maximize stunning ocean views. The main living area, with open concept layout, features expansive floor-to-ceiling glass doors and windows, allowing for abundant natural light and effortless indoor-outdoor living with oversized patio and pool area. High-end finishes await a lucky buyer. A rare opportunity to own a brand-new home in the exclusive Pristine Bay community. Residents enjoy access to world-class amenities, including a championship golf course, private beach club, all within an active residential resort community. Schedule your showing today to see all the features and benefits. Welcome to Coral Vista No. 1, a piece of paradise nestled on the stunning island of Roatan in West End. This luxury property offers an unparalleled opportunity to experience the best of Caribbean living, combining breathtaking natural beauty with modern comfort and style. Located on Half Moon Bay in West End, this exclusive residence is a true tropical haven. With a prime beachfront position, Coral Vista No. 1 is a 2-story concrete construction home with main floor featuring open-plan living and dining that expands out to the patio and private pool. The bedrooms are organized for privacy. 3 of the bedrooms are upstairs and feature en-suite baths and balconies. The home is fully stocked and has all modern conveniences. It is offered turnkey with a proven rental record. Island living at its finest in this beautifully appointed 3-bedroom, 3.5-bathroom condo in the community of Lawson Rock. Each bedroom offers an ensuite bathroom for privacy and comfort, while the spacious master suite includes direct access to the outdoor living area. Outside, you'll find your pool and covered patio perfect for relaxing or entertaining. Enjoy access to Lawson Rock's top-tier amenities, including 24-hour security, a marina, gym, on-site restaurant, and beach access just steps away. Escape to paradise with this stunning 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom beachfront condo in the Lawson Rock community on the picturesque island of Roatan. Open concept living with a kitchen featuring modern appliances and granite countertops. Lawson Rock offers a range of amenities, including community pools, fitness center, 24/7 security, and lush gardens. Whether you're seeking a vacation home, investment property, or your own private beachfront sanctuary, this 1-bedroom condo in Lawson Rock is your ticket to tropical bliss. Don't miss your opportunity to own a piece of Roatan paradise. Contact us today to schedule a viewing.
Thanks for watching the Roatan Travel Network's Real Estate Guide. We hope you discover your perfect island dream home.